Attitude, girl. One of them, two of them, say the crew of them, I will wind them. Put a three of them, put a four of them, even more of them, I will grind them. Send the whole of them, send the whole of them, friend. Pack up, my girl, dirty wine. So what am I say? All right now.
Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. Let's hop right onto this Carnival festival type of makeup look. I'm going to be using some new products from BH Cosmetics in this video, and I was so excited to use these products, and just wait till you see how they perform. So right now I am priming my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White. It's very bright, as you can see. So I'm just blending that all over my eyelids. First I did it with a brush, and then I am going in with my Morphe Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. Gotta moisturize those lips so they won't be looking dry. But this is the first new product that I'm going to be using from BH Cosmetics. It is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is not new to BH Cosmetics, is new to me. This is actually pretty old, so I'm going in with that shade right there. It's like a teal, greenish, bluish type of color, and I'm going to pack that all over my crease. As you can see, I did not set my eyeshadow base. If you watched my video where I was talking about how to make bright eyeshadows pop, that was one of my tips, tricks to make your bright eyeshadows pop, is to do a really bright eyeshadow base, which I did white this time, and to not set it with any type of powder. So that's what I am doing today, because we want these colors to really stand out. So as you can see, that's packed all over my crease. So I am moving on to my other eye. This look requires so many brushes because we're doing two different eye looks on both of our eyes. Each eye is a different look. So on this eye, I am doing a bright pink type of look, pinky purpley. So I took that bright color right there and put that in my crease. Now going back to the greenish bluish eye, I'm taking this deeper shade of greenish blue and I am putting that into my crease a bit lower than the first shade. And then I'm taking a more lighter, like softer greenish blue, and I am going to blend the top portion out so there's not that huge harsh line up there. So now I'm going to move on with this purple shade, and I'm going to pack that beneath the pink shade from the inner corner to the outer corner. And then I'm going to take this light pink shade at the top of the palette right here, and I'm going to blend that out at the top just to get rid of the harsh lines. And now I'm just going to add a bit more purple because I lost it a bit. So I'm just going back in to deepen that up. Going back into the NYX white eyeshadow base, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm not winging it out. I'm just cutting my lid basically. And on top of that, I'm going to be using a shade from the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. It's perfect. The shades are so beautiful and they work so well. So I'm going in with that sparkly shimmery shade right there. And I'm going to pack that all over that area that we cut. And then on the other side, I'm going in with this shade called Wicked. And I'm going to pack that all over that lid. A nice like purple shimmery type of shade. And as you can see, I did spray my brush with some setting spray on each side. And now I'm going back in with more purple just to deepen up that crease and define the area between the lid and the crease even more. And that's what it's looking like. Now I'm going in with the bright pink shade again, and I'm just going to pack that onto that area in between the purple and the pink on my lid just to make it stand out even more. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be using one of BH Cosmetics' new products, the Eyelights. So I am taking this blue shade right here. I'll have the name of it on the screen somewhere right here. And I'm just going to put that over the shimmery blue shade that we use from the Weekend Festival palette. These are eye toppers. They're called Eyelights. You're supposed to put them on top of a shade just to make it stand out even more. And now I'm taking the other shade, a purpley highlight, and I'm going to pack that all over Wicked that we used from the Weekend Festival palette. And these are so beautiful, guys. They work so well, and I got them on sale. They're normally about $8, which is still amazing. But if you know BH Cosmetics, if you don't know, BH Cosmetics always has sales, so I got mine for about $6. Now I'm going to move on to the face. First, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in rose gold, and I'm putting that on all the high points of my face, and I'm just going to blend that out with my sponge. I just wanted to have like a nice little natural glow on my face, and now I'm going to go with my foundation. I'm mixing together the BH Cosmetics foundation and also it's the Naturally Flawless, the BH Cosmetics Naturally Flawless foundation. I'm mixing that with my L'Oreal Pro Glow. The L'Oreal Pro Glow is in 210 Classic Tan, and the BH Cosmetics foundation is in 225 Mocha. I love mixing the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation with multiple, like any type of foundation, because it's so hydrating. It's amazing, and it just makes a foundation more hydrating and like more luminous and glowy. So now I'm going in first with the BH Cosmetics concealer, Total Coverage Concealer in the number 117, and I just put that underneath my eyes. And to highlight the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and that is in the shade Golden. And now I'm just going to add a bit more of that Instant Age Rewind Dark Circles Eraser Treatment Concealer underneath my eyes. This concealer is just extremely full coverage. The BH Cosmetics one is nice, but because I was going to be outside all day, I actually went to a carnival. I wanted my makeup to not move, not budge. So I know with this foundation, this concealer is going to not only give me the coverage, but it's going to like not move, not budge. So I set my under eyes and everywhere that I highlighted with the Laura Mercier powder mixed with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana powder. And now I'm setting the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. Now to contour my face, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray Ray collaboration. I love this palette so much. This was actually my first time using it. I'm going to take a fluffy angled brush, a brush by BH Cosmetics, the 114 brush, and I'm going to take the shade Mocha that was right there in the middle of the palette, and I'm just going to use that to carve out my cheekbones ever so slightly, nothing too sharp, and I'm just going to take that around my forehead. And now I'm going to take a smaller brush by BH Cosmetics also, and that same powder, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose. Now I'm going in with one of the highlighters in the palette, in the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm using, it's called French Toast. I'm using that to bronze. Actually, it's a very dark type of highlighter, too dark for my skin tone, so it's perfect for bronzing. And now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Nude Rose palette, and I'm taking the blush shade. It's like a nice pinky blush, and I'm going to go ham with the blush. I'm really into the blush is the new contour trend that's going around, where you just put blush all over your face like it's a contour powder. I love it. So that's what I did, all over my cheeks, my nose, even a bit around my forehead. And now I'm taking the banana shade in the Nude Rose palette, and I'm going to use that to carve out below my contour and brighten up under my eyes a bit. Now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Illuminating Fixing Spray and using that to set my face before I go ahead and highlight. While my face is still dewy, I'm taking a large fan brush. This one's by Doe Color, and I am using the shade in the middle. It's called Radiant, and I'm going to use that to highlight my face. It's a nice rose gold type of highlight, which goes really well with that first highlighter that we used by Makeup Revolution before we even put any makeup on our face. I don't know how much that really gave me a nice glow underneath, but going on top of it with this nice rose gold highlighter, which is beaming, really helped everything just glow. I really wanted to glow as much as possible. So I added some wing liner and some lashes off camera. So now I'm going back in with those first two shades that we used in my crease before, and I'm going to smudge those on my lower lash line. I'm using a flat definer brush to really press those on, and then I'm taking a brush that's a bit fluffier to blend it out. Now I'm taking the bright pink shade and the purple shade. We use those in the crease on the other eye, and I'm doing the same thing but with two different brushes. And now I'm taking the black shade. There is a black shade in this Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to use that to set the eyeliner on top of my eyes and make it appear a bit blacker. And now I'm adding black eyeliner to my waterline. Now I'm taking a colored mascara by Wet n Wild. It's like a teal bluish type of green, and I'm putting that on both sides on my lower lash line, on my lower lashes. Then I'm taking that shade from the Weekend Festival palette and I'm putting that on my brow bone and using it to highlight my inner corner. Now I'm going in with the lips. This is a ColourPop lip liner. I'll have the name on the screen right here. And then I'm going to fill them in with the ColourPop and EYELINER collaboration. This is a ultra matte lip and it is in the shade Yoshi. Yes. So just to add a bit more shine to the center of my lips, I'm taking the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Cushion Lip Gloss. I think that's what it's called. And it's in the shade SPL. This lip gloss is beautiful, very iridescent, and it just really makes your lips look special. So now I'm taking some jewels that I got from Hobby Lobby. Very cheap, very inexpensive. I'm going to apply them with my eyelash glue, which is the Kiss eyelash glue, and I'm just doing whatever type of design I wanted to do, and this is what I came up with. I also added a jewel to my bottom lip in the center, as you can see right there. I love the way this look came out. I got so many compliments. Everybody loved it. It was such a hit, and I love the jewels. I just added something really special to the look. So once again, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. It's right next to the subscribe button. I hope to see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye.
It's kinda little tricky, I'm checking out Nicky, but you know the time is up on me. The way the girl wine is like the breeze a blow, but it hot and the sunshine on me. You dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine. You dirty wine, my girl, dirty wine.